In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 air fryers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best air fryers. The 5th product on our list is the GoWISE USA GW22956. Compact air fryers are versatile tools that help create quick, tasty, and healthy meals at home. When you're choosing an air fryer, it's essential to find one that fits your kitchen in size, function, and style. This is GoWISE USA's newest air fryer. Compared with many air fryer baskets on the market, this device comes with an extra large cooking capacity. With this, you can quickly cook an entire chicken or 4 to 5 burgers with a touch of a button without heating up the house. The single basket and excellent crisper tray gives you 7 quarts of cooking space, the perfect size for feeding a large family or whipping up some snacks for a party. Additionally, if you are looking for low-fat options for your favorite fast foods, this GoWISE unit may well be for you. It dramatically cuts the amount of oil needed to give you crispy food without the added fat. Its 2 powerful convection fans surround the food with heated air to quickly and evenly cook all of your guilty fried cravings. The variable temperature control ranges from 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This kind of temperature control allows you to cook anything from frozen pizza to fresh vegetables. Don't be worried about overcooking your food, because this air fryer also has a 60-minute timer for total peace of mind. The timer will automatically shut off the machine once cooking is complete. Moreover, with all of that extra cooking space and a non-stick frying basket, this can quickly fry up snacks for events and then just as easily be cleaned. What's more, there is a built-in dehydrate function designed with a temperature range from 90 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer from 2 to 24 hours. This function utilizes 3 handy stackable racks that enable you to prepare more servings of dried fruits, veggies, beef jerky, and your own dried herbs. Combined with its space-saving design, this air fryer is a perfect fit for small kitchens. Its pros are: its range of functions is excellent, it is simple with easy-to-use controls, and it has a pretty small footprint to fit any kitchen. However, it has a recipe book included, but it's pretty much useless. The GoWISE USA GW22956 is a sleek and functional device, ideal for large families who want quick fried snacks at home. Up next in 4th place is the NuWave Brio. If you're into healthy eating, then this product may be for you. The NuWave Brio uses air crisp technology and a well-designed rapid air circulation system to quickly crisp all your ingredients while removing all the extra calories from the added oil. You will use up to 80% less oil when you cook with this air fryer, while still getting to enjoy your favorite fried foods. The NuWave Brio's unique cooking chamber makes sure that the superheated air generated by the Brio is evenly circulated around your food, cooking it from all sides simultaneously. This is further facilitated by the device's patented fry pan basket design. With its high-quality stainless steel mesh basket net and holes in the basket walls, this unit ensures that the hot air cooks your food from every direction. Even better, it features a handy removable divider insert for the fry pan basket. Furthermore, with a vast temperature range between 100 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in 5-degree increments with a simple button press, it features reheat and preheat buttons and a menu of 6 popular dishes pre-programmed into the unit for added convenience. Additionally, the 6-quart Brio is the perfect size for cooking 2 pounds of fries or a 3.5-pound chicken, making it the ideal choice for couples, small families, or really anyone that wants to enjoy healthier fried food in a quick and easy way. Lastly, unlike many other air fryers, the NuWave Brio has several built-in safety features. These ensure that the Brio automatically and immediately shuts off when the basket is removed, and the Brio won't start cooking again until the basket is securely replaced. This makes it a device suitable for kitchens, even if you have young children running around. Its pros are: it uses significantly less oil than ordinary frying techniques. It has plenty of convenient pre-programmed settings, and its range of safety features grants peace of mind. However, it has a lot of removable parts, which can make cleaning a chore. The NuWave Brio is an excellent device for those wanting a healthier way to eat tasty snacks. Still haven't found an air fryer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Chefman Multifunctional Digital. Make your mealtimes exciting again with this multifunction air fryer that makes it possible to quickly fry, grill, roast, or bake with just a tablespoon or less of oil, minimizing excess fat during cooking. If you're desperate for fried chicken without the guilt, then the Chefman Multifunctional Digital has you covered. This versatile product is capable of functioning as an air fryer, rotisserie spit, oven, and dehydrator. This makes it perfect for nearly any rapid cooking or baking task you throw at it. With this unit, you can make healthy fries with almost no oil. You can also get that perfectly crispy and tasty chicken, or dehydrate that leftover produce you've been meaning to eat. You may be surprised to learn that this multifunctional air fryer actually cooks faster than a traditional oven. It does not require preheating, helping you achieve a healthy, crispy fried finish using at least 98% less oil than conventional fryers. What's more, the capacitive touch control screen display is effortless to use, and its 17 preset options make any kitchen task easy. Moreover, the interior lighting allows you to easily watch your food as it cooks. Also, there are a bunch of accessories, including 2 airflow racks, a stainless steel rotisserie spit and fork, a rotating basket and retrieval tool, and a handy anti-drip tray. This removable drip tray, along with its dishwasher-safe parts, makes cleaning a breeze. Furthermore, whether you have extra guests or are just extra hungry, this air fryer has been thoroughly designed with the whole family in mind. It's a spacious 11-quart unit that allows you to make plenty of food so you can make enough food for the entire family right on your countertop with no need to heat up your oven. Lastly, this unit is CETL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability and has 1-year assurance provided by Chefman, so you can make the purchase worry-free. Its pros are: it has a very versatile design, it comes with lots of helpful cooking tools, and its large capacity makes it useful for everyday cooking. However, it is a very large device, so you will need plenty of countertop space. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital is a great tool with enough uses to potentially even replace your microwave. Its large capacity is excellent for cooking meals for multiple people at once. The second product on our list is the Philips Premium XXL. Combining affordability with ergonomic design, this sleek device, with its straightforward, easy-to-use function buttons, makes it usable for any level of aspiring cook. With 7 preset cooking options, the large digital LED display makes it far more user-friendly than other products so far. You don't need to be a professional chef if you have this product. This Philips Air Fryer XXL is one of the healthiest ways to sate your cravings for fried food, by using little to no added oil for perfectly frying up your favorite foods. What's more, this is the only air fryer with dedicated fat removal technology that further reduces and captures excess fat while cooking delicious treats. Moreover, with its 3 pounds and 4-quart capacity, this device can make crispy fried meals for up to 6 people every day without an issue. The Philips can even fit a whole chicken or 2 bags of frozen French fries easily, with results just as crispy as deep-fried produce you'd buy at a restaurant. Furthermore, thanks to its advanced rapid heat technology, this air fryer is instantly hot and ready to go in just a few seconds, cooking 4 times faster than a conventional oven. With no preheat needed, you can save a lot of time and start cooking right away. Additionally, it has a minimal countertop design, and its non-slip rubber feet help this air fryer fit seamlessly in any home kitchen. With this, you'll have no worries about frying, baking, grilling, or roasting with just one device, so you can make nutritious, tasty meals at home with ease. This makes it a fryer suited for all of those eager to create fulfilling and delicious meals without the hassle and none of the extra fat. Lastly, this Philips air fryer includes dishwasher-safe removable parts and a quick clean basket to save you even more time and hassle in the kitchen. Its pros are: its clear and simple controls make it a joy to use. It is more than large enough to cook for multiple people, and it's effortless to clean after use. However, Its temperature range is not very precise, so it can be difficult to follow recipes exactly. The Philips Premium XXL is a user-friendly and affordable air fryer that allows you to cook healthy and delicious meals from the comfort of your own home. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top air fryer is the Ninja DT201 Foodi 10-in-1 XL. Air fryers are designed to get you a tasty dish ready in record low times. All you have to do is add food to the basket, press the buttons a couple of times, and in a few minutes, everything will be ready. The Ninja is simply the best at every function an air fryer is meant to perform. With 1800 watts of power and a true surround convection fan, the Ninja Foodi XL Pro cooks food very fast. It preheats to 400 degrees in 90 seconds, while broil and toast require no preheat. The cooking ability is tremendous, producing perfect French fries, toasts, crispy skin wings, juicy chicken roasts, and grilled cheese for 4 to 6 people effortlessly. Also, this digital oven is foolproof when it comes to usage. It's uncomplicated to set up, use, and make it clear when the process has finished. This unit is outstanding for those looking for a convenient small footprint, easy-to-use multitasker to replace a cumbersome toaster oven or even a microwave oven. With this all-in-one powerful appliance, you can air fry, air roast, bake, whole roast, broil, toast, bagel, dehydrate, reheat, and pizza. It has a 90-second oven preheat time and is up to 30% faster at cooking than a traditional full-size convection oven. What's more, thanks to the 2-level even cooking, there is no rotation required. You can fit a 5-pound chicken and a sheet pan of vegetables, 2 12-inch pizzas, or even a 12-pound turkey without an issue, and it'll be cooked to perfection in no time. With this unit, the optimal oven rack positions for your food will be eliminated based on the selected function. When the door is open, the display settings will freeze to prevent any accidental changes to the cook cycle. This is an immensely convenient product, and with the Ninja, you'll get faster, crispier, and juicy results every time. Its pros are: it is very user-friendly. It has great cooking versatility. Its capacity is large enough for all sizes of family, and it's faster than other air fryers on the market. However, it can be challenging to clean as the inner layer is not removable. The Ninja DT201 Foodi 10-in-1 XL is a powerful and well-designed product. It makes an excellent choice for those with limited space and time, looking for perfectly fried food without the guilt. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.